Yeah, that way.
Hey, is that the trucks?
That's the trucks.
Fucking trucks! Hey, stand by! Is that the ceasefire?
Well, today, Helmet Cam, we're getting shot at by our own unit.
Holy shit. Hey, Metcalf! Metcalf!
Yeah!
You got a flare?
Yeah!
Get it up! Get it up! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Hurry up!
White.
Do it!
Here he comes.
Do it! I've got a flare out. You stay the fuck down in that trench.
Holy shit.
God damn it!
Man, somebody sees me.
You got room in this trench if you want to come down.
All down here.
Yeah, the only problem is when am I going to get a chance to get down there?
Yeah.
God damn it.
Fuck me!
Those are close.
What? Roll. Keep your head down. They're still coming in pretty close. What's up? Yeah. It's on.
Is it on?
Yeah.
Did you get me pinned down on my back?
Kinda.
Hell yeah.
I was kind of giving a little documentary of how we're getting shot at by trucks.
Hey, we got fucking comms with those goddamn vehicles.
No, the fucking trucks weren't popular.
Fucking great. 5 o'clock a who, asshole?
Good thing they don't have a Mark 19.
Yeah.
Oh, we'd be fucked.
Hey, 6 Romeo. Yeah. You got battalion at all? No, Gogarty's got him.
What the fuck? What are they doing back there?
Hey, we need to get calm to that fucking mounted element. Fucking calm, talking X-ray.
Can we fucking see if I can lob a fucking smoke out there?
Nope. Stand by.
Okay.
Because I'm not honestly very sure who the fuck is shooting at us. It might be our own guys.
God.
Holy shit.
See, somebody's shooting from behind us.
Somebody's shooting from behind us.
Back at the Colot. I think the trucks are trying to engage them, and they don't know we're here.
One time we were laying in the fucking ditch full of thorns.
We're not sure though. We might be getting shot at by our own truck. RPG!
Holy shit.
Hey, asshole, warn us next time, you dumb motherfucker!
Coming at us?
Hey, that was ANA. That was an ANA
God.
RPG.
Jesus.
I just looked up and saw that asshole fucking stand up that thing, and I was like, oh, fuck.
Yeah, that's definitely our trucks shooting this way.
Alright, just stay low. That's our own goddamn truck shooting at us. Yeah!
Holy shit.
Hey! Knock it the fuck off, asshole!
Holy
Fuck!
shit. What the fuck?
Oh, shit!
God damn it. Hell no!
Hey, start moving that way. Start low calling.
Well, I'm I'm glad they taught us this in basic.
Hey, we're moving north. All right, turn around, okay? Stay low. We are!
Fucking goddamn death bush. Fucking
They're in this wadi up here.
gut.
Holy shit. No, this is Taliban dust.
Man, unless you fucking speak English, do not talk to me.
Hey, keep going. Get your ass moving.
Hey, just stand by real quick.
Yeah, hey, stand by, Ski. Our best goal for the trench is right there.
I know. But as soon as we pop up, those trucks are going to engage us.
Yeah.
Did it go? I have no idea what the fuck you're saying, but...
No, we're stopped right now. The ANAs will get the fuck out of the way. Hey! Move that way, asshole! Za!
Wait.
Why?
Move it. Fucking go. Just fucking go.
Yeah!
Hey,
The
Ski.
only problem is
Ski,
I got shot
hold up.
trying to get in.
We're going this way for now. Just fucking
Ski.
go
Alright,
this
check
way.
it.
We're gonna run for the fucking
Alright,
trench.
listen up. Alright, check it. From key to ski on 3, you're going for the wadi. Ready?
Get it?
It's right there. Yep. 1, 2, 3. Go.
You good?
You good?
Yeah.
You good? Alright.
Keith? Good. Are you sure?
Alright, check it. Check it. Ski, I want you up here. Start of the fucking 6. You up front right there.
Okay.
Ski. Right up there.
Why'd I jump?
Come on, Keith, you alright?
Yeah, I'm good.
Alright.
I don't know, dude. He's gonna be down here.
I'll help you.
I need to get to 7 Romeo.
He's down there. He's with Sir Martinek.
Hey, let's go. Come on, Keith. That wasn't a drill at all. Come down, Charlie. Keep moving further down the squad. Alright. Okay.
Hey, Theodore.
He's coming. You got a rear? I got it. Take you up here.
God damn it! I don't know what that is.
Trucks. That's the goddamn trucks.
God damn it!
Hit by our own fucking
Trucks from right there.
Hey, let's go. Stay down to the bottom, or we're moving north.
Fucking dumb fuck.
Just show my fucking children.
He's moving that way. I got you.
Spread out, okay? In case they start fucking. Hey, don't worry about him. Just go that way.
He's good. Some morning got hit in the arm with an RPG.
James, there was because there was 50 API fucking hitting right fucking here.
We're trying. We've been trying the whole time. We've been down, man.
Okay. What can I do? Give me something.
Chop an X-ray, Tiger 7 Romeo.
Alright, I got it.
Yeah, put my
Chop an X-ray on your neck, Tiger 7 Romeo. Dude, I can't get shit. Iron X-ray, Tiger 7 Romeo.
Okay, let me get the fucking radio.
I'm getting static. Someone was hot micing battalion. Chop an X-ray, this is Tiger 6.
I'll get him. Hey, I'm gonna go find the J-Tech. He's got purple smoke.
Chop an X-ray. Chop an X-ray. This is Tiger 6.
We just need to start unloading all our fucking 203s.
Seriously, check yourselves. You might not
I already
Chop
shot
an
a
X-ray.
flare.
Chop an X-ray. This is Tiger 6 on battalion net.
Without like fucking smokes.
Try yours.
I've got smoke.
I'm getting static whenever I get a transmission back.
Switch,
Chop an X-ray, chop an X-ray.
switch yours
Tiger
to
6
tac
Romeo.
sat.
I need that VS-17. Put it over.
And then give me a fucking ping test.
Hey, Roger,
There's that
stand by.
71 earlier.
16.
You guys all right?
I like getting shot at by our own guys.
6. Go that way.
That way?
Chop an X-ray. This is Tiger
gonna be in
6.
front of it, but
I need
it
your
should go
mounted
through a
element
little
to
bit.
fucking drop to battalion net break.
It's good.
I believe we're
Leave it
taking friendly
Okay.
fire from your mounted element. Our current location is prepare to copy. Break. Victor Bravo 5516 9156. Break.
Hey, are you guys the last end friendlies?
We're in the
No,
middle of
they're
a
down-
wadi
there's some
that's
more down
going
there.
north south. Every time we pop our heads up, I think we're taking friendly fire. We can't PID anybody. Over.
You need to send up a 9-line. Like, time now.
Shit. What did he get? He get shot
He got shot in both arms, through and through.
twice.
That's what I believe.
Shot once. I went through my arm, through my vest. Yeah, I went through my other arm.
Jesus Christ.
Need a 9-line?
Chop an
Yeah,
X-ray.
I
Tiger
have the
6.
9-line written out already in my book. I need to send it up.
Well, tac sat.
Yeah, we're good, man. We're just Chop an X-ray. Chop an X-ray. This is Tiger 6
Iron
on
X-ray,
battalion
Iron
net.
X-ray, Tiger 7 Romeo on tac
Smokes
set.
out. Smokes out identifying.
What the fuck is wrong with these retards, man?
Iron X-ray, Tiger 7
I'm not
Romeo
getting you at
on
all.
tac set. It's tac set.
Let me take this off.
Chop an X-ray. Chop an X-ray. This is Tiger 6.
Buff,
Yeah.
look at it. Yeah. I'm gonna go to program and see if I have it right. Norm.
Chop an
Yeah.
X-ray. Chop an X-ray. This is Tiger 6.
Yep.
5. Tac
Yep,
set.
okay.
Yes. Yes.
Yep.
Freak.
I'm so
83.
fucking sick of these
Okay.
motherfuckers.
That's my freak.
Yep.
Freak. Did it change?
No.
Did we switch to the other one here? There's 2 of them.
Yeah, I don't think we switched to 999 here.
Signal. Comsec. Vincent.
Yeah, you're
Tech
good.
1. It's all good. I know it's good because
Yeah,
this was
do a
back
ping
in
test real quick.
Taking fire.
No, we're good. Hey, snipers, get into a good spot. Keep your heads low, 'cause we still
Be
got.
advised, we took contact.
77. You
Okay.
should be able to get anything.
Iron X-ray. This is Tiger 7 Romeo. Radio check, over.
9155 break. I have one friendly WIA at this time. A double gunshot wound to both arms.
Urgent
Break.
surgical. Surge.
Gonna need a medevac. Stand by for
equipment,
9
Do we
line.
have
Break.
anybody watching on the other side of that?
Iron X-ray. This is Tiger 6 Romeo.
Chop an X-ray. This is Tiger 6.
Listen for a second.
Hey, tell these guys to stay down there. We don't need all these people right here.
Comandante, nafarita mi asta. Mai mi
Iron
gata
X-ray,
no
this is
sama
Tiger
kuma
6.
para majmat fikri mashmati jagan majmat.
Hey, get the fuck out of here, all right?
I'm going to try iron one more time.
Iron X-ray. This is Tiger 6.
I have the medic 5 lines.
Front line faces as well.
If you want to move down there,
It's very simple. I don't know how else would he know.
purple smoke out. If they can't figure out where I'm
9155.
at by now, it's fucking
Currently
sad.
marked with a VS-17 panel. We're in a wadi running north-south. Over.
He wants to set it. You got a 9-line, sir?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay.
Iron X-ray is Tiger 6. Do you need the rest of the 9 line or you got it?
I haven't sent it up.
What's up? What do you?
This red smoke off me. We're gonna need it for the medevac.
Huh? AWT is coming in 5 minutes. Iron X-ray is Tiger 6.
There you go.
Hey, I need you guys to freaking pay attention here, all right? Do you guys need the rest of the 9 line or you got it? We got our location. The security of the pickup zone is going to be unsecure. Over.
Hey sir, he's steady right now, but fucking we need to get him out as soon as we can.
Yeah, definitely.
Do me a favor, one of you two.
Swear to fucking God. You're fucking...
We got you down here, sir.
Iron X-ray is Tiger 6.
Trinity, store 26.